Do you feel the vibes?
Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Will Rob. I'm going to show you another cool thing you can do for your YouTube channel. And this is going to be how to make outro videos or little clips you want to put in. A vast array of things you can do with what I'm going to show you here. And the best thing of all is it's free. So go to Panzoid.com. Okay. And this is, you can make clips, backgrounds, video editing. I use it mainly just for clip making because they're really neat. Most of them have music in them, and you can edit them to your liking. You can change the text in them and stuff. They have a bunch of templates that designers have put on here, and there's some really cool ones. So anyway, it's best to set up a free account because that way you can save your work and come back and work on it later and stuff. But you don't have to. But anyway, I'm going to log in with my Google account. And let's see here. So boom, I'm logged in. Now I want to do the clip maker, and there's so many things you can do. It can really be mind-boggling to pick one that you want. So when you have some time, you can sit down and go through with it. They list a few here, but hit more creations down here on the bottom. Okay, and then you'll find a bunch more. There's some cool ones for YouTube, like, you know, don't forget to subscribe, and it has all these different elements you can edit on there. I'm going to try to just pick out kind of an easy one, a neat looking one. You know, see, there's a cool outro with the subscribe. It leaves a good impression on people to have, you know, professional looking videos and stuff. Let's check this one out. It's kind of over the top, but you click on the one you want, and then you click open in Clip Maker. Oh look, there's a Minecraft, and my son would just love that. You know what? I think I like this better. It's a little more not over the top, I guess. So now that I have the one I've picked up, I'm going to hit open in Clip Maker. And it loads up here on the main screen. And then to preview it, you click this eyeball right here. See where my cursor is? Click the eyeball, and when it turns red, you hit the play button. Now this may be loud. I don't know what the music is on this. Most of these come with free music. The moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. We put our hands like a ceiling can. Well, you know what? I kind of like that. You can change these all the time too in your YouTube. If you don't like it, you can just upload the video to your YouTube and throw it in there if you get sick of it. Come back and make another one, right? I mean, this stuff is so easy to do. Okay, so now that I've picked the one I want, this is important, what you got to pay attention to here. The first thing you want to do is hit this little basics right here. See that little box with the check mark? Click that. Video resolution, I'm going to leave it at 1280 by 720. No, I think I'm going to go better. I'm going to go 1920 by 1080, 1080p. That'll be better quality. I'm going to leave it at 30 frames per second. And length is real important. You don't want a real long intro video or an outro video or whatever. You know, these little clips you're going to put on your YouTube videos. You don't want them to be long. I'd say 11 seconds is probably even a little long. I'm going to change that. You just click on it there and see how it highlights into blue. Now you just change it. I'm going to change it to I'm going to go 9 seconds, okay? That, I think people can deal with 9 seconds. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit enter. So now, see, it's changed length in seconds to 9 seconds. I'm going to change this text now, okay, to my YouTube channel name. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go to objects, this little 3D box, and click on it. Okay, and this one's real easy. All you have to do is click on text. It shows your 3D text right here. And I'm going to type in YouTube with Will Rob. Hit enter. Okay. Oops, sorry. Um, you want to make sure and change all the text fields, okay? So, see, I've changed the first one. It's already showing it. I'm going to go here. YouTube with, oops, always forget to capitalize that R. And make sure you hit enter after you do this, and then you'll see it change right here down the second one. And now the third one is, I'm going to put please subscribe. Please subscribe now. Okay, might as well, right? You want to get people to subscribe to your videos. Oh, got to hit enter. Okay. Okay, now let's see if this rendered. I don't know if it rendered yet. Yeah, I mean, you can change all sorts of stuff on these, but it's easier just to leave them how they are. So let's see. I'm going to click the eyeball, and I'm going to play it and see if it shows my new text in there. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. Well, it didn't put the please subscribe in there. It's just kind of weird. Anyway, maybe it didn't render that in there yet. One thing I want to do is I want to change the font a little bit because it's kind of big. Let's see if we can find something real simple that may fit a little better. And of course the screen is knocked down, so what does this look like? Indie flower. Let's see if that changed it. Well, not sure what's going on here, but anyway, you get the gist. So I'm going to leave that how it is for now, and I'm going to go to download. That's the last thing you want to do. And you want to, on the mode, you want to go to, at least go to good quality. Extreme quality is better, but I tried it before and it takes forever for it to download. So if you don't mind waiting, you know, you can do extreme quality, but good quality still looks really nice. So I'm going to select good quality. And then in your format, make sure you check, yeah, leave it where it is, .mkv vp8 opus. And then start the video render, okay? And this takes just a little bit, not too long. See there it's showing, what, 1 minute left. So I hope y'all like this. You know, I think it's the coolest thing since Cadillacs. Just kidding. But it's a really neat tool to have if you're getting into making YouTube videos, or you just want to do any kind of little presentation or something. This comes in real handy. And again, the best part is it's free. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and put a like up, and then it's free. Anyway, okay. Sorry this is taking a little while. But it has to render before you can download it, okay? Sometimes free things are worth waiting for, right? Okay, a few seconds. Here we go. Boom. Okay. So you can either return to editing. You can always go back. If you've saved your work, you can always go back and do some more editing on it, or just change it, or make a whole bunch more. I mean, you can make a different one for every one of your videos if you wanted to. So now I'm going to download my video, and you'll see it putting a download thing here. I always like to say show in folder, because then I know it's downloading it to my downloads, and it shows it right here on the bottom. Video. I always like to rename these because I get so many of them in here that I forget which video is which. So I'm going to say YouTube, what do I call this one? YouTube intro. I might as well put, you know what, I'm going to change this. YouTube with Will Rob intro. Duh. Okay. So I got that, and it's saved on my computer. So that is great. And anyway, I'd like to thank you again for watching my video. My site is new, so I only have a couple of videos up right now. But please check whatever I have out, and again, make sure and subscribe, please. That will really help. And hit me a like, and maybe point your friends my way. That might be a cool way to end the day. Point them in Will Rob's way. Anyway, thanks for watching YouTubing with Will Rob, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.